Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. Let's kick off with some football news. From not competing in the 2022 to being 90 minutes away from lifting their first ISSA Manning Cup title, Hydel High's story has turned another chapter as they'll take on Mona High to decide the urban area schoolboy football champion for 2023.
For the first time since 2001, a new name will be engraved on the ISSA Manning Cup after Hydel High booked a meeting with Mona High following a dramatic penalty shootout win over Kingston College on Friday evening at Sabina Park. The school from Ferry in St. Catherine had a dream start when Kiani Jackson's long-range effort was perfectly placed to give them a 1-0 lead after just 3 minutes. Hydel's relentless pressure would pay off 20 minutes later when player of the match, Omaria Henry, danced his way into the KC box before unleashing this powerful shot past the goalkeeper. A 2-0 lead at the halfway stage meant Hydel at least had an arm and maybe a leg in the final, but the Braves from North Street were not yet ready to yield. Upon the resumption, Hydel saw exactly what they did to KC in the first half, but in the reverse. Just as they did to open the scoring, Hydel conceded from a well-taken goal from outside the box when Damaine Smith halved the deficit for KC in the 51st minute. And at 20 minutes from time, KC found themselves level as Alex Hislop scored from an identical position as Hydel's second goal. With no more goals in regulation time, the contest was decided from 12 yards, and it took one save from Hydel's goalkeeper Tajari Lee as he denied Kimani Reese, before Hydel's Jomo Gordon sealed the win with a fifth conversion for a 5-4 victory from the spot.
Kids deviate away from game plan. You know, as boys, they will always get distracted easy, leading too low. But nevertheless, we down 1-2-1. It comes to 2-all. We hang on, we fought. Once I shout out there, remember the hill. I shout again, remember the hill. Seeing, and they dig deep, and they fought onto the end. Once this game came to penalty shootout, I wasn't worried. I remember the first time I came on this field, I won a penalty shootout in 2014.
I'm proud of the boys. I think we had a good season, but I'm disappointed with somewhat, especially the first half today. I think we could have played much better and could have even napped it in the last 5 minutes of this game. But, to have gone down 2-0 against a very good Hydel team and, to come back 2-all, I thought it was a very good performance in the second half. And I think the boys will have done very well throughout the season.
Henry, who scored Hydel's second goal, was named the player of the match.
Well, for us natural thinking, work hard, not training, and we're not training, and we practice. And we say, yeah man, we got this. Tell them I'm going to score the best goal in the Manning Cup, and they never believe.
KC's elimination also meant that none of the holders of the last 15 Manning Cup titles will be in the final, with Jamaica College failing to make the last 4 and Mona High sending perennial champions St. George's College packing in a 2-1 win in the first semi-final. Coach of Mona High, Craig Butler, says playing Hydel in the final doesn't change his team's objective.
Yeah, they're a good team, but we also played Kingston College and we led all the way. And Kingston College scored in the second half. So if you look at it statistically, we have a very good chance of taking the cup. We just have to stay focused and do our job. And I'm sure the boys will go out there and do it for me.
The ISSA Manning Cup final will be played on December 8 at the National Stadium.